like actually punch holes in the tire.
Seriously?
Yeah, real quick. Really, actually, genuine.
All right, well that is sweet so far.
Yeah, I like that. Definitely more into natural tech than like machine cut right shit. Oh, I'm killing it, man. Yeah, everything on this mountain is doable with a hard tail and a positive attitude. Like,
Oh man. I have a friend, he does the downhill park, so call me downhill.
yeah.
He is like known. Nate, shout out to you right now for doing his hardtail.
I love that. Like, I mean, I'm a big believer in handling skills covering a multitude of sins because, like, I knew a couple guys on Santa Cruz who, like, raced enduro and forward.
Yeah.
Place bad.
That's some big drops.
Yeah. Well,
Yep, some legit.
on the first one, I almost got, like, pretty badly hung up. Like, my bike hit,
Yeah, I can
my bike
imagine.
hit a full compression, 45-degree angle, and I was just like,
Yeah.
I know. I hit several roots or it was like, or mud, and like I just completely lost my line, right? And I'm like, okay, that's not good.
yeah, this
Because
is
you,
That's usually significant. I think.
Yeah.
That's not sport, right?
I think it is.
That's kind of surprising.
I know.
That's harder than, like, CCDH doesn't have stakes.
That's a
like,
lot harder.
Like, I can't, I mean, maybe someone could roll those, but I can't.
No, that's a walker.
Okay, Riley, you're good at drops, right? We gotta work on those.
Yeah, no, absolutely. I've been like kicking all of those pretty hard, but honestly, it's mostly when in doubt, throttle out kind of vibe, like speed cover with a multitude of sins.
I gotta practice. And
Yeah.
try to help.
I'm trying to get better too, because like I can do the kink, or if I get my front wheel up, but you have to like commit to that, right? And then I don't always commit, I admit.
I'm like bunny hopping off of them, but you also have to judge that really well.
Yeah.
Because like if it's a farther drop than you think it is, you will
That'll get you.
eat yourself.
Or if you time it badly, or you know.
There's a lot of ways to fuck up. I'm not gonna think about this.
Yeah, that's.
Performative idiotism, it can't happen to me if I'm like too dumb to comprehend it. Like,
What are you saying, man?
That caveman emoji, is it from SpongeBob or whatever? What is that?
Grug.
Yeah, whatever the fuck that is, yeah.
No, I'm very much embracing the Thembo cycling attitude. Just like I'm literally too stupid and pretty for bad things to happen to me. Like,
You know, we've been meaning to talk to you about that, man. No,
really crashing with hair like this?
it's just not me.
Creative.
Just not me, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, this lulls you in because you're feeling good, and then all of a sudden it's like, oh, really slippery, and then it's like, oh, it feels good, and then ooh, really slippery.
I mean, I've been enjoying it. Like, it's a really good trail in terms of like keeping you on your toes.
Well, it's fun.
And what I like is it doesn't look like there are terrible consequences for fucking up features.
That's
Oh.
true. There's not like exposure.
Yeah, or like,
Oh, you had to say that. don't say.
Well, we can't judge it yet.
Knock on wood.
Shall
Yeah.
we continue?
Yeah, let's hit it.
We shall.
I'm having a time riding bicycle, which is fucking slippery.
All right.
We're chilling. We're having a great day. I'm
All
gonna
right.
be behind. I can actually do that.
Okay, feel the power. Here we go. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah. Don't do what I did. Okay, here we go. This looks legit. Yeah, give them a heads up. Hey, heads up, guys.
Yeah, that's steep. Okay. Yeah.
It's just steep.
Yeah, I washed out my front wheel. I got caught up on the left side on the loam.
Did you see me do that little rock drop?
Yeah.
I was like, I just couldn't, I lost my line the same way, and I'm like, I'm not doing this.
It looks scary, but that's very rideable.
Yeah. Super good.
And it's like a straightaway.
Just don't hit that nasty root when you,
For next time.
yeah.
I think that was harder to watch.
Free
Yeah.
ride, free ride, free ride.
All right, the roots are really slippery now. Holy cow.
It's gonna be like a mud pit by the end.
Okay. Oh yeah, a little loam. Nice. All right, well don't take my line there. Okay. You're not supposed to be riding with 1 foot off, I just don't think. Oh no! I missed it. I missed it. You go.
I don't think I can get it. Yeah. No chance. I'll go up front.
There's just a sharp right turn at the bottom.